One, two, three, come on!
So today we are going to discuss about first aid. It is often very difficult to render medical care to a victims of injuries occurring at industrial environment, construction areas, etc. Here I have used word render, right? Here render means to give help. Example, render a service to somebody. The nature of injuries and inflictions may vary widely. This may lead to grave complications. Grave. Here, grave means bad or worse condition. Or you also know that grave meaning is where dead body is buried. This may lead to grave complications and sometimes be fatal. Yeah, fatal. That can cause death. Death. So, it is therefore necessary to render aid to the victims as soon as possible. Yeah, as soon as possible on the spot itself and send them for further treatment to hospital. Often, proper and prompt first aid will be the most essential saving factor. Yeah, here prompt means immediate or without any delay. Every management should feed knowledge of first aid methods and facilities to a good number of personnel in the organization. First aid boxes, first aid rooms are to be provided as per the requirement. The objective of first aid is the immediate, immediate and temporary care given to the victim of an accident or sudden illness by a bystander. Who is bystander? A person who is standing near or sees something that happens until effective medical aid arrives. Yes, you heard me right. Sudden illness by a bystander until effective medical aid arrives. A person who is standing nearby should help and he should not wait for until the help is coming, right? Who is the first aid person? A suitable person with adequate numbers and appropriate in circumstances for rendering first aid to the employees if they are injured or become ill at work, are to be employed as first aider. For this purpose, a person shall not be suitable unless he has undergone. Number one is the person who is not suitable for this job and the one who is suitable for this job. There are some criteria which we should follow before selecting our first aid person, right? Ground number one is such qualification and trained. He must be approved by the site in charge. Second criteria is such additional training, if any. First aid person. First aid person is a person who holds a current first aid certificate issued by a registered medical association like Indian Red Cross Society, etc. That is a suitable person who is certified by such Indian Red Cross Society. There are many other registered societies like that. It must be ensured that at least one first aider is present when the number of employees in the site is between 50 and 150, providing additional first aider for every addition of 150 employees, right? In the absence of infirmaries, a facility for care similar to hospital, right? Infirmaries, clinics, hospitals in the proximity to the work site Proximity means state of being near. It should be near to your facilities. Properly trained and certified first aid personnel must be available with first aid supplies. Training. Training is a very important thing. The first aider must be given sufficient training, at least in the following, to determine the nature and severity of injuries, right? To take urgent steps to control disturbances of heart action and breathing, to stop external bleeding, to bandage wounds, right? A first aid person should know all these things, right? That's all for today. Thank you.